Now students, as per the board syllabus, we are going to revise the string handling chapter right now. For the section A, that is the theory part. Okay. Now students, here different functions are there in the string chapter, and a string is basically a data type. It's a non-primitive data type, and it is available as a class in Java. And students, here this year 2021 paper, only syntax, purpose and working example with the output will be there, right, with the output. So it's very important for you to understand what these functions basically do, their purpose, how they are called, and what is the return type of different functions, and what type of arguments are passed through the function, right. And differences also very important. For example, I can pick up the equals and equals ignore case, difference between char at and index of, difference between index of and last index of. So if you know the functions and their working, you can handle such questions properly, right. And it's a very easy chapter also, quite scoring. Students, now I'm going to discuss the a few questions actually here, which are there from the board examination or from the model test paper as well. Student, first question is here: state the value of char and of the characteristic and mantissa when the following code is executed. So here you can see 43756 and is the string, and n equals to in s dot index of dot. So index of dot, basically for us it is decimal, but for a string it is dot, or the period sign. So its index will be returned. So index, we start counting from 0 0 1. So 1 will be here in the n. Now characteristics equal to integer dot parse int. Integer is a wrapper class, parse int is a function, as dot substring here. So substring 0, 0, just a minute, yeah, 0 comma n is there. The value of n is a student, is 1. So it will simply pick up or extract the string from 0, only 0, because 1 will not be included. So 4 will go inside this characteristic, 4 will go there. So what is there? Integer dot parse int. So it is extracting what? A string, but it will be converted to integer, because this side, what is there? Int. So it will have 4, and mantissa will have integer dot value of. All right. So it will again a function to convert the string into the integer type. So s dot substring n plus 1. So n plus 1 we have specified. Only one argument is given of integer type. N was what? 1. N where the decimal was found. So, or dot was found. So after that, whatever is there, what is the value over there, students? Let's check 3756. So that will be stored in the mantissa. So I hope the working of index of is clear. So characteristic 4 and mantissa is 3756. Okay. Now what will the output when the following code segments are executed? 10001, 1001. That is a string, okay, in double quotes. So integer dot value of it is converted to integer type, and then they are asking for the output is of x, y. So x will have what? 1001, and then y, double dot value of s. So that is string is passed here. That is string is converted to double type here, because value of has been called with the double type. So here what will happen? Y will contain which value? Y will contain 100.0. Okay, that is a difference, because that is going to be stored in the double data type. That's a result of typecasting. After that, student, the king said begin at the beginning to me. Okay, just a minute. Right here it says king said begin at the beginning to me. So here slash is there, because we wanted double quotes to be maintained. Okay, and this double quotes is basically belong to this complete string, and here we wanted begin at the beginning to be printed in the double quotes. So double quotes we wanted here, so that's why slash is there. So the result will not be having these slashes over there. All right, only the king said double quotes begin at the beginning. After that, students, what is the value stored in the variable res? Res given below. So res equals to mat dot pow 345 index of what 5. So you an index of 5 comma 3. So because index of 5 is here 0 1 2 2, so 2 will be there comma 3, so 2 to the power 3, that will be 8.0. So it is, the result is 8.0 2 cube. It is going to print what 2 cube. After that, state the output when the following program segment is executed. A smartphone. B has got graphic card. H has got substring 2 comma 5. So H is having what a dot substring 2 comma 5 0 1 2 2 from 2 will start and before 5. So 0 1 2 2 a 3 4. So art will be there, and then H will have art, and K will have what P dot substring 8 dot 2 uppercase parenthesis. So means location or the position is 8 or index is 8. B, they are talking about B, so B is here. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it will have art dot to uppercase. So art will be entirely capital letter. First the string will be accepted and then it will be converted to capital. So K will have what art will be the string, but all letters will be capital. Then system dot println H is there. So H is on the screen. H is what this, that is art small letters, and after that system dot k dot equals ignore case H. So here k when I look at what is k is capital letter art, and H is having what small letters art. So equals ignore case is there, so they both will be counted as same or equal, so it will be true. If this function is equals only, not equals ignore case, then the output would have been false. All right, now students, name a string function which removes the blank spaces. Very easy, it's trim. State the difference between double quotes double equal to and the equals. So it's a relational operator, and this is a function, a string function. This returns true or false. All right, returns the value true or false depending upon the equality of the string. Okay, they are same or not. After that, double equal to compares to the primitive data types, and this is there to compare to a string which is non-primitive. Okay, after that, Mississippi, index of S. So index of means first occurrence of the character S. So 0 1 2 2 will be there. Then Mississippi dot last index of I. So let's count it. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it will be 10. Okay, so here what is there? Index of S. Index of S is what 0 1 2, and this is 10 plus 2 is what 12. After that, cable dot compare to cadet. So compare to function, C is common, A is common, B and D. In terms of ASCII value, B is smaller than D. So what will happen? The number will be the difference will be negative. The ASCII value of capital B is 66, and ASCII value of capital D. So A is 65, B 67, 66, C 67, D 68. Again I am telling you, A, capital A 65, capital B 66, capital C 67, capital D 68. So 68 minus 66, that is minus 2. So output will be, first one will be 12 and second will be minus 2. After that, write the return type of the following library functions. Okay, is letter or digit. Is letter or digit. So is there, whether the given character is digit or letter, so it is boolean. After that, and please, when you write the return type as it is given in the answer, it's wrong. Capital B will not be there, small b will be there. Okay, students, after that, replace char 2 times char is given, so the given string, returned string will be a string, that will be the capital one. Okay, all right. So after that, students, we have here some board questions now. State the output state the output of the following program segment, that is string equal to examination, int equal s dot length. So count the length of this. So 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 is the length. So never start counting the character with 0, only index we begin with 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 is the value for the n. After that, s dot starts with s dot substring 5 comma n. So one string is s, its substring 5 comma n. So 5 is right now 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 5, okay. And then they have given the value of n is 11. So from 5 to 10 it is going to be there, okay. So natio, right, because 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, 11 is the sign, so up to n it will go, sorry, it will go up to n. So nation will be there, so it will give us the string nation. And now starts with, they are asking with, so it's not starting with the nation, ends with is so ends with nation, so it will be false. After that, student system dot out dot println s dot char at 2 double equal to s dot char at 6. All right. So here they are comparing s dot char at 2. So 0 1 2 0 1 2 at the index 2, which character is there? A. After that, char at 6. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right. So here you find A. So both are A. Equal to is comparing the non-primitive data type values. So here it is true. After that, a student state the data type and values of A and B after the following segment is executed. So here S1 comma S2 equal to applications, S1 dot compare to S2. So here when we compare this is is C we compare S1 and S2. So students they are asking data type of values A and B. Data type of because compare to returns the data in the integer type, so it will be int type, and equals returns the data in the boolean type, so B will be of boolean type, okay. After that they are asking the values also, okay, value of A and B. So compare to C A. So first character is different, so C is bigger than A. So ASCII value of C is what? 67. All right, and ASCII value of capital A is 65. So 67 minus 65 is 2. So it will have the value 2. And S1 and equals S2 are not equal, so they are not same, so it will be false. So the value of B will be false. After that, what will the output of the following code? That is s equal to Malayalam. So s dot index of m, s dot last index of m. So s index of m is 0 because first occurrence is here, first time it is found there, okay. And then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 will be this for this, because 8 is the last index of m. Last time or last occurrence of m is 8. After that, write a statement to show how to find the length of the character array. Just a minute. Array chr differs from finding the length of the string object str. So students, str which is an object of string type, so function length will be called. So length will be with the parenthesis, and we find the array length of the character array. So length of the array is always found with the length keyword without any parenthesis. So here it is given intl equal to chr dot length. So this is the length of the array, and here you can see with the array name we have not put any square bracket also, only the name is required. And here when we are getting the length of the string object str, so length with the parenthesis will be used. All right. Now after that, now students, here we see that Write a statement to show how finding the length of the character in CHR differs from finding the length of the string object str. I think it's clear to you all. Statement to find length of a string object str is this, and for the array is this. Okay, both the values are in integer, but the difference is of the parenthesis. Okay. Now state the values stored in the variable str1 and str2. State the value stored in the variable str1 and str2. So str1 has got s2 dot substring 5 replace dot replace t comma n. So substring first we get here s2 substring. S2 is what? Word matter. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is the blank space. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5, and then onwards means matters will be there. Dot replace t with n. So double t will be replaced with means matters in the matters, because matters will be there, and t double t will be replaced by double n, so it will become manners. So str1 will have manners, and str2 equal to s1 dot concat str1. So here str1 is what? Str1 is manners. Okay, so s1 is good and str1 is manners, so it will become what? Good manners. They will be brought together, and don't forget the blank space before the manners. So finally we get good manners, good blank space manners. Okay. After that, students, what is the data type that the following library functions return? So is void space. So is all the is functions basically return the boolean type. Math dot random, the double type. Okay. After that, state the output of the following program segment, that is string str1 equal to great, string str2 equal to mind. So str1 dot substring 0 comma 2. So s1 is this string 0 comma 2 they are saying, so that means 0 and 1 will be extracted, only 2 will be ignored. So gr will be there. After that, dot concat str2 is what? This one, substring 1. So 0 will be ignored, it will begin with 1. So 1 is at index number 1, that is I. So I and ds. So it will become what? gr, and here I and ds, it will become grins. After that we have wh plus str1 dot substring 2. So str1 is what? 0 1 1 2, that is e. Okay, 0 1 2, that is e, because that is with the str1, then 2 uppercase. So it will become what? Just a minute, wh plus str dot substring 2. So 0 0 1 2 EAT will be extracted. Okay, so WHEAT, it will return in the small letters, then 2 uppercase, it will become what? Capital EAT, so it will be wheat. So that will be the second string. Now what is the data type returned by the following library functions? So compare to returns int equals returns what? Boolean. After that, students, now some more questions here. Computer word is capital letters. Computer word, you can see the C is capital, rest are small letters. Now S4 is computer word, all are small letters. So now first output is S1 plus equals, so on the screen what will be there? S1 equals S2 space S1. Now output of this S1 dot equals S2. So it is definitely false, because cases are different. Then system dot S1 dot S1 plus here, so S1 equals S3. That means what will be there? Computer word first one, and then computer word this third one, space S1 dot equals S3. S1 dot equals S3. So that too will be false, because they both are again different. Then they are talking about S1 S4. So computer word and this computer word, and S1 dot equals S4, again that will be false. After that, students, equals ignore case S4. So here you see here S1 and then S4 equals ignore case. So cases will be ignored. Now it will be what? True, because the cases are same. After that, students, we have here x equal to computer application, y equal to, sorry, x is having computer, y is having application. What do what do the following function return? So here x dot substring 1 comma 5, x dot index of x comma x dot char at 4. So what these functions are going to return, substring is going to return 1 comma 5. X is the string, so 0 1, 1 is here, so o 0 1 1 2 3 4, 5 will be ignored, right? So o m p u will be there, 0 1 2 3 4, so 1 to 4 will be there, o m p u, that will be string type data. And then x dot index of x dot char at 4. So x is what, the string given here, 1 comma x dot index of char at 4. So x dot, first we have to look at the innermost thing, that is x dot char at 4. So char at 4, 0 1 2 3 4, 4 is u, okay, u. So u is returned here, a small letter u, and then x dot index of u. So definitely first occurrence is there, only one occurrence is there of u, that will be 0 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 will be returned there, okay. After that, system dot out dot println y plus x dot substring 5. So here substring 5, we go for the index 5 here, 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So ter will be returned here. So here what will be there, y plus y is what, applications, y will give us applications, and then ter will be there, because 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, so from 5 onwards ter is there, application stir. Then system dot out dot println x dot equals y, so it will be false. After that, give the output of the following: computer space knowledge, then m equal to computer space applications, then system dot out dot println n dot substring 0 comma 8 concat m dot substring 9. So here students, n dot substring 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8 will be ignored, so computer will be there, dot concat, then m dot substring, what is there, 9. So we come to the second string, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then 9. 9 onwards is the application, so it will be computer application without any space, okay. After that, we have system dot 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 n dot ends with e, n dot n dot ends with e, so definitely it is true. All right, in double quotes it is passed, so it will be taken as a string, okay. So that is true. A small letter is also there. Give the output of the following statements. So here you can see x equal to Samsung, Nokia, Sony, Micromax, BlackBerry. Then system dot dot x of 1, system dot dot 3 dot length. So here what we need to do, x1, so 0 1, so Nokia will be printed, and after that system dot dot x3 dot length, so length of the fourth string, means 0 1 2 3, this is the fourth string, Micromax will be printed length. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 will be printed on the screen, 8 is there. After that, give the output of the following string function, achievement dot replace e. So here all the e's are going to be replaced by a, so achievement, it is going to become, all the e's are going to be replaced by capital A, capital E by capital A. Dedicate code compared to devote. So here you can see D is same, E is same, common, then D and V are there, okay. So here you have to take out the value, sky value of D, right, and the sky value of V, definitely it was a smaller one, so value will be negative. So sky value of D is A B C D, that means 65 66 67 68 68 minus, and V, so capital Z is what, 90. So U V W X V W X Y Z, so Z is what, 90. Then we go into the reverse direction, 89 88 87 and 86. So you have to subtract what, 68 subtracted from the 86 VWXYZ. So 66, 86, 87, 89. Just a minute, let me calculate. ASCII value of uh, D is 68. ASCII value of capital V, VWXYZ, there is 90, then 89, then 88, then 87, then 86. Okay, now we subtract. 68 will be the smaller one, so here the difference will be of 18. All right, so it will be minus 18. Okay, minus 18 will be there, right? After that, we have here, because first string is smaller than the next one, so minus 18 will be there. ASCII value difference will be taken. After that, we have considered the following string array and give the output: Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Lucknow, Jaipur. Then ARR dot length greater than AR of 3 dot length. So here students, you see the relational operator is there. So AR of 0, 0 is what? Delhi. Its length will be is compared with 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 means fourth string. So lengthwise, Lucknow is bigger than the Delhi. Okay, so it is false. After that, students, we have ARR of 4 dot substring 0 comma 3. So AR of 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth means fifth string is there. So in that case, 0 comma 3. So 0, 1 and 2 will be there. So J will be there. JAI only. Okay, so output of this will be JAI. Okay. After that, students, differentiate between the following: equals and double equal to. I have just discussed. Compared to in equals, both are there to compare the strings, but differences are compared to return, returns the int type value. Equals returns the boolean type of value. Compared to compares the value lexicographically. All right. Equal simply does it on the basis of the similarity of the characters. It only checks the equality. This checks the greater than, equal to, and less than as well. Okay. Then two lowercase and two uppercase are there. So it simply converts the given string into the lowercase. It is there to convert the string into the uppercase. If it is it is in the lowercase, then it will convert into the uppercase. If it is already in the uppercase, then in the lowercase. So after that, caret and substring. So caret function accepts the integer type value and returns the character, and it simply gives us the single character at a given index. Substring accepts index or the position, but it extracts the string, so its return type is a string. Okay. I hope everybody has understood it well, and it's a good revision for your board examination. Thanks everyone.